bone-in braised short ribs. In this video, I show you how I braise them, as well as 2 other side options. We love having them with mashed potatoes and green beans, and I put some on top of cheese tortellini. The meat fell right off the bone, and the sauce was so rich and flavorful. This took me around 4 to 4.5 hours. I separated about 2 pounds of bone-in beef short ribs so I could sear them individually. But before I seared them, I seasoned them with salt and pepper. I get my Dutch oven heated to a medium-high heat with a couple tablespoons of oil. This took a few minutes per side, and while that is searing, I diced up a big white onion, 3 carrots and 2 celery stalks. I just rough chopped them. I was going for bigger pieces because I knew this would be cooking for hours and the veggies would break down. Just checking on the sear here, and it has a nice even color. So most of these were ready to flip. After the other side is done, I remove the short ribs onto something that will collect all the juices dripping. In the same pot, add oil only if you need it, but I'm adding the chopped veggies and getting a bit of color on them. While that's going on, I'm peeling and chopping the garlic. I will link this garlic peeler below. I use this all the time. I chopped about 6 cloves. I cleared a space for the garlic to get some contact with the pan for about 30 to 45 seconds, as well as dried rosemary and thyme. Fresh would be better if you have it. Now I'm adding the liquid. 2 cups of beef broth or stock, 1/2 cup of red wine, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, and this time I added a gravy packet. For a while now, I've been adding ginger ale to my red meats that are braised or stewed. So I added 1/2 cup of the ginger ale to the gravy packet. You can use water or more broth. I enjoy basil with anything that has tomato in it, so I added 3 fresh basil leaves. Then 1/2 cup tomato sauce. Next I'm placing the short ribs back into the pot as well as the juices it released. Cover and place in the oven at 350 for 3.5 hours, or until the meat falls off the bone. There is so much flavor in this. We all loved it. We always have this over mashed potatoes. I removed all 8 bones, and next I will show you how I plated this meal for a few of us. I also had cooked some cheese-filled tortellini and made my favorite cream sauce. I will link that below. This time I added some fresh spinach, and it all went so well with the short ribs. I wanted to try that. When I had short ribs, I would for sure make that as a meal on its own. It was meant to be similar to an Olive Garden recipe. I plated mine up with some green beans as well. This has to be in my top 5 favorite meals for sure. This was such a comfort food, very much worth the time. Credit for this idea goes to my oldest child. Many of my children have come up with some very good meals. We love trying new things. If you leave a comment of something you would like me to try, I would love to share the idea and give a shout out in the video. Check out the links in the description. And if you gave this a try, let me know how you liked it. Thank you for watching.